Understanding the phrase, be brave. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a simple yet powerful English phrase, be brave. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also learn how and when to use it. Be is a verb that serves as a command or suggestion. It's like telling someone to do something or be in a certain state. Brave is an adjective that describes someone who has courage, especially when facing challenges or difficult situations. Together, the phrase, be brave, is a call to action. It's like telling someone to show courage or remain strong in a particular situation. 1. Facing fears. If someone is scared to do something, like speaking in public or trying out a new activity, you might say, be brave, to encourage them to overcome their fear. 2. Dealing with challenges. If a friend is going through a tough time, maybe because of personal issues or health problems, saying, be brave, can be a way to remind them to stay strong and hopeful. 3. Starting something new. Whether it's moving to a new city, starting a new job, or entering a new phase of life, be brave, can be a reminder to embrace change with confidence. 1. As Maria stood at the edge of the diving board, her friend shouted, be brave, you can do it. 2. After hearing about Peter's health diagnosis, his sister hugged him and whispered, be brave. We're here for you. 3. On the first day of school, the teacher saw a nervous student and gently said, be brave, it's going to be a great year. There you have it. The phrase, be brave, is a wonderful way to encourage, support, and inspire others. It's more than just 2 words. It's a call to face life with courage and determination. We hope this video has been helpful and that you'll feel confident using be brave in your conversations. Until next time, always remember to be brave in your language learning journey.